In the near future, when the world is at the edge of collapse, Imam Mahdi will rise, not quietly and not unnoticed. He will rise during a time of intense global chaos. Wars will erupt, economies will crash, people will lose trust in governments, media, and even in one another. It will be a time of confusion, fear, and deep spiritual hunger. And then, from the land of Makkah, a man from the family of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, will be recognized as the long-awaited Mahdi. He will not seek leadership. In fact, he will avoid it. But sincere believers, a group of true scholars and devoted Muslims, will find him near the Kaaba and insist that he accept the responsibility. At first, he will refuse. Then, in front of the Kaaba, Allah will make it clear that this is the man chosen to lead the Ummah. He will be given allegiance by a small group, and the pledge will be sincere, made with tears, fear, and hope. That will be the beginning of something the world has not seen in centuries, a divinely guided leadership. As soon as the news spreads, corrupt forces will panic. Armies will be sent to crush him before his influence spreads, but these armies will be destroyed by divine will, swallowed by the earth in the desert, just as foretold by the Prophet. This miraculous event will awaken hearts around the world. Muslims from different lands, languages, and cultures will begin to travel toward him. They will not come for wealth. They will not come for politics. They will come to stand with the truth. This will be the beginning of the Mahdi's army, not made up of trained soldiers or military experts, but of sincere men who love Allah and fear none but Him. Their weapons will be simple. Their courage will be unmatched. Their discipline will come not from generals, but from their taqwa. These men will be young and old, rich and poor, Arabs and non-Arabs. They will march together with one goal: to restore justice to a world built on oppression. The Mahdi will not sit in palaces. He will live simply like the Prophet. He will pray at night while his army sleeps. He will lead in battle, eat from the same food, and walk among the people. His justice will not be theoretical. It will be felt in the streets, in the marketplaces, and in the hearts of people. Thieves will no longer be protected by connections. Orphans will no longer be forgotten. Corrupt rulers will be removed without delay. He will confront major powers. Battles will take place. Victories will come, not because of numbers or weapons, but because Allah will support him. His army will grow with every success. People will see that he does not take bribes, does not lie, and does not break promises. This will attract people tired of deception. They will join, not because they are forced, but because they finally see a leader worth following. Eventually, he will reach Bait al-Maqdis, Jerusalem. There, the Prophet Isa, Jesus, son of Mary, peace be upon him, will descend from the heavens. He will join the Mahdi and pray behind him. This will confirm once and for all that the Mahdi is not just a military leader or reformer, but the true guide of the Ummah in the final era. Together, they will face the Dajjal and defeat him, ending the greatest trial humanity has ever known.